Take a look at this code. Can you guess the value of R3? Let's solve it. At first, R1 is set as 15 and R2 as 3. BIC R3, R1, R2, LSL hash 1. BIC is nothing but bit clear. Before BIC happens, R2 is shifted left by 1. So, when you perform left shift on the value 3 by 1 bit position, the result you obtain is 6. That means the instruction becomes BIC, that is bit clear, R3, R1, hash 6. Now remember what BIC does. It performs R1 ANDed with not of 6 or 1's complement of 6. Now let's see it in binary. 15 in binary is 1111 and 6 in binary is 0110. So when you invert 6, you will get all ones at MSB and 1001. Now the result of AND operation is 1001, which is 9 in decimal. So the final answer is R3 equal to 9. Now let me run the code and show you the final output. As you can see, R3 is 9.